Hi friends, good morning. How are you doing? I hope all of you are doing good. So here is the much awaited study plan and test series. I just want to give you the synopsis of how I am going to take you through this preparation for the journey for your upcoming December 21 examinations. As so many people have been requesting me, Pavan sir, give me a study plan to appear for group 1 or group 2 or both the groups for December examination. And as you know, for the last 5-6 attempts I have been giving this study plan plus test series free question papers in all the subjects. So today I have come with this plan again. So today 16th August I am doing this video, and this plan is starting from 16th August only. That means today now you have to start implementing this. So I'll tell you the important points to be observed before starting implementing this program. So this program starts on 16/8, that means today, and this program ends on, see the ending date, 3/11. 3/11 means November. Okay, this time our examinations are going to be held in the month of December, correct? Our examinations are going to be held in the month of December. So exactly 1 month before the exams I am stopping this study plan, so that last 1 month you can do rigorous revision. And the good news is, already in this study plan what I am giving to you, 2 revisions are there. That means last 1 month we are keeping the reserve, no? That is for 3rd revision. Trust me, if you do 3 revisions for any subject, focused, concentrated, qualitative 3 revisions, nothing to look back, you will definitely pass the examination. 3 revisions in my opinion is adequate to crack the exams. So now let us try to understand how this plan works. This plan is prepared for 80 days, 80. Whether you are a single group student or whether you are student appearing for both the groups, your plan is prepared for 80 days starting from today, that means 16th of August 2021. Okay, each subject is divided into 8 to 10 parts. Each subject is divided into 8 to 10 parts. So basic mathematics, I'll tell you, 80 days the plan is for, 80 days, correct? How many subjects you have in a group? 4 subjects you have in a group. 80 days if you are preparing, on an average, how many days can be allocated to single subject? Obviously 20. 80 days plan, 4 subjects. So each subject will have 20 days. In that 20 days, what I have done is, I have, categorized the subject into 8 parts, and each part is again broken into 2 parts. That means each subject is broken into 16 parts. Approx 16 parts. For example, if you look at it here, first I am starting with accounting. This is group 1. Okay, this is group 1. Similarly, group 2 plan is prepared. Similarly, both the groups plan is also prepared. So those students who are writing group 1 examinations in December, they will start with accounting today, and in a day you will do only one topic, that too small portion. So full day of 24 hours you will do only one thing: profit or loss, pre and post incorporation. That's all. Today you read this, enough. Tomorrow full day of 24 hours, just bonus issue, rights issue. Simple topic. So tomorrow in these 2 papers, 2 chapters put together, there will be examination. Tomorrow there will be examination. So today what you need to read? You need to read profit or loss, pre and post incorporation. Tomorrow what you need to read? Bonus issue, accounting for bonus issue and rights issue. Then the examination will happen tomorrow. So tomorrow if examination is there, before 6 o'clock in the evening, question paper will be uploaded in our portal free of cost. So what you are supposed to do as a student, today read first topic of A1. A1 means accounting part 1. A1 means accounting part 1. In that part 1, again you have 2 parts. Profit or loss, pre or post incorporation, small topic today. Bonus issue, small topic tomorrow. Enough. Pavan sir, will you increase the load? No. The whole 80 days, the load will be this much only. Every day you will read only 1 chapter. Pavan sir, can I complete the syllabus? Obviously yes. That is the beauty of the study plan. That is the beauty of the study plan. Trust me, if you are a student writing single group, if you are writing group 1, if you follow this plan, 3 to 4 hours a day, 3 to 4 hours a day, you will be able to complete all the 4 subjects, all the chapters of all the 4 subjects within 80 days with adequate revisions, and adequate provision is given for backlogs, plus second round revision will be there, plus you will write model exam, mock test for 100 marks also. That is also free of cost. Model exam mock test also will be conducted free of cost. Okay, so this is accounting A1. After that we'll start with CFM. CFM is nothing but for new syllabus students we call it CMA. For old syllabus students we call it CFM, costing and financial management. Here because we are speaking about new syllabus we call it CMA. CMA 1 we call. CMA subject, CMA 1 we call. Okay, costing basically. Okay, so here introduction to cost and management accounting is one part. You need to read full day on third day of your preparation, and material cost, just material cost full day, and then you'll write exam. Your second exam will be in cost and management accounting, that will be CMA 1 exam. Then you will go to law. In law, preliminary aspects, first topic, 1 day. Then incorporation of company and matters incidental thereto, small topic. So these two put together, examination will be conducted on 21st. Then you will go to taxation, basic concepts, residential status, scope of total income. This is 1 day. Incomes which do not form part of total income, 2nd day. Both these topics put together, examination will be there on the next day. And the beauty is 1 round, 1 cycle, accounting 1 part, costing 1 part, law 1 part, taxation 1 part, successfully you have completed. Correct? 4 subjects successfully you have completed. Then 1 day is given for revision and backlogs. If you have any backlogs in this 4 days or in this 4 parts, that means 8 days, you can do this, you can cover those backlog portions on this day. So 24th is a reserve day, and the beauty is a reserve day is given for every cycle. For example, look at second cycle. After that again you will have revision and backlog, then again you will have cycle 3, then again revision and backlog, then again revision and backlog here on 22/9, again revision and backlog here. That means I am giving you small topics to read for 8 days, 4 subjects into 2 days, small portions, and 4 exams will be conducted in a cycle. After that revision and backlogs will come. So like this we will be completing the whole syllabus by 18/10/2021. That means October 18th you will complete all the subjects along with the backlogs. Pavan sir, what to do after that? After that I have divided 1 cycle into, I have divided 3 days. I have categorized 3 days into 1 cycle. So 19/20/21 is 1 cycle. For what? Full subject revision in taxation. So now from 19th onwards your mock test is starting. From 19th onwards your mock test is starting. So how I am conducting mock test? I am conducting mock test in the reverse order. What is the correct order? Accounting, law, CMA, taxation is the correct order, 1, 2, 3, 4. So mock exams will be conducted in the reverse order. So first taxation, 3 days full subject revision, that means 19/20/21, 3 days complete revision of taxation. You will swim from this corner to that corner of taxation subject, and then you will have 100 marks mock test. After that CMA 3 days full revision, then mock exam, then law 3 days full revision, then mock exam, then accounting 3 days full revision and mock exam. This completes on 3/11/2021. So by that date you are actually speaking exam ready. You are exam ready. This is 80 days. If you follow this plan you will be exam ready. Plus after that you will have again 32 days to prepare. Again 32 days are there. Pavan sir, how? Because exams are from 5th or 6th of December this time. Again 30 days will be there. That 30 days thoroughly you can revise all the 4 papers or all the 8 papers. So don't you think this is systematically and very smartly designed plan? So I used my 15 years of academic experience as a teacher, as an academician, And before that, 5 years, 6 years, I wrote CA exams, I wrote CMA exams, and all of you know I am a ranker in both chartered accountancy exams and cost accountancy exams, not only in foundation, at final level also. So I utilized I tried to use and invest all my experience so that students' life will be simple. So I give this example every time, if you remember. If I give apple to you, if I ask you to eat, to swallow apple in one go, to gulp it, you will die because it will be stuck here. You cannot. You will definitely die. So what is the option? What is the only way to eat apple? Simple. Take the apple, cut it into small pieces. So I am making every apple, if subject is one apple, I am making it into 16 parts. 16 parts. Now imagine if apple is cut into 16 parts, can't you eat one part easily? That is what the strategy here is. Any day, any random day you take, for example, Pavan sir, 11-9, okay, chalo, 11-9, this is one random day. What you are doing? Income from PGPP. Maximum size of your preparation for one day is this. So, randomly, Pavan sir, 15-9, you take it, what you are doing? You are doing accounting standard 3 cash flow statement. Don't you think it is easy? Randomly, you take Pavan sir, 24-9, what you are doing? Departmental accounts. So, one full day, you are doing only departmental accounts. I personally believe this is the easiest way of completing your preparation. This is point number 1. Point number 2, many students are asking, Pavan sir, how will I get the study plan? How will I get the test paper? How will I get the, suggested answers? Simple. For all those who are asking me questions, I have prepared one frequently asked questions list. How to view study plan and test series via our app. Simple. This mobile application you can see in Google also. CAP classes you can see in Google also. So far, more than 5,800 people downloaded this, both in Android and iOS put together. So I cannot send question papers, answer papers to 5,800 people separately. Even emails will not support. So how we give question papers, how we give study plans is, the student has to download our mobile application. You go to Google Play Store or go to App Store if you are using iPhone. Download CAP Classes mobile application. This is step 1. When you download CAP Classes mobile application, from the backend, technical team will add you to a free batch, and the batch name is Free Resources. Batch name is Free Resources. So you download the application, give few minutes or few hours, you will be added to the batch automatically. If you want voluntarily to request for, joining this batch, remember the code of the batch is free CAP, F-R-E-E, free CAP. CAP is CAP classes. Free CAP. If you type free CAP, you will be added from the backend. Even if you do not request for adding also, when you have downloaded the app, by default you will be given access to free resources. So what is the batch name? Free Resources. So step 1, download the mobile application. Step 2, open the app and join Free Resources batch. There will be one option called batches, active batches. So when you click batches in your mobile application, it will show you Free Resources batch. For example, if you have purchased, say, CA Intermediate Advanced Accounting, if you have purchased costing, if you have purchased a test series, if you are doing this accessing free resources, then when you click batches, all these icons will come. For example, Advanced Accounting will be one folder, costing will be one folder, like that. Free Resources will be one folder. So all the paid students will get classes also in one of the batches. If you are a student accessing it, accessing free resources, free resource batch will be there. You can click that. The moment you open free resources, there will be so many options. Free resources, under free resources, there will be so many options. In that options, you have to go to study materials. In free resources batch, you have to go to study materials. In that study materials, you will have CA Intermediate, CA IPCC. You can choose. If you are CA Inter student, choose CA Inter. If you are IPCC student, choose IPCC. Yesterday, we have downloaded Group 1, Group 2 and both the groups plan in the application. Yesterday, we have downloaded CA Inter Group 1, CA Inter Group 2, CA Inter both the groups. CA IPCC schedule will be released within 1 day time. Will be released within 1 day time. So, when you open CA Inter or IPCC, there you can see the study plan and test series free of cost. That means Today, this, following this study plan, tomorrow is 17, no, today is 16, tomorrow is 17. So 17, there will be exam in accounting A1. What is accounting A1? The syllabus is profit or loss pre and post incorporation, accounting for bonus issue and rights issue. In these two topics put together, one exam will be there. This exam will be for 50 marks, 40 or 50 marks, 1 hour, 1.5 hour exam. Okay, so this exam will be for 40 marks or 50 marks, sometimes 30-35 marks also. So basically exam will be for 1 hour or 1.5 hour. Okay, so this exam paper will be uploaded in the portal before 6 o'clock so that you can write exam in the evening. Now, there are two test series in CAP classes. One is free test series, one is paid test series. One is free test series, one is paid test series. Okay, for free test series students, question paper will be uploaded today, suggested answers will be uploaded tomorrow. You can write the exam and you can evaluate the answers yourself, or you can ask your friend to evaluate your question paper. In consideration, in return, you can evaluate your friend's paper. So two friends, like study buddies, you can write exam on one particular day. Then you exchange answer sheets. You give your answer sheets, scan it in WhatsApp and send it to your friend. Your friend will send it to you, and then you can evaluate looking at the suggested answers we give on the next day. This is how free test series works. If you are a paid test series students, again in paid test series, there are various levels. One is basic test series and second one is mentoring program. Okay, if you are a mentoring program student, there will be more exams for you. If you are a test series student like this, you will have 8 exams to 10 exams in every subject. So the difference between free test series and paid test series is that if you are a free test series student, question paper will be given to you, answer paper will be given to you through the mobile application. You have to write the exam and then you have to evaluate yourself, or you need to send it to your friend. Your friend will evaluate your answer sheet. This is for free test series. For paid test series, what we do is, imagine a student may prefer joining for test series in individual subject also. Say for example, I am a student who is weak in costing, so I want a test series only for costing. So I will pay only for that particular paper. The fee will be some 299, 399 rupees, something like that. For IPCC students 399, for final for inter students 499, 399, something like that will be there. Okay, in this 299 or 399 rupees, you will write 10 exams. That means on an average per paper you are paying 30 rupees. For paid test series students, all the question papers will be sent in one go in Google Drive. So you will be given with a link. If you have paid this 399 rupees per paper, for example for costing, when you open costing folder, when you open your email, one link will be there. When you open, all the 8 papers will be there in the costing. For example, first exam is in this introduction to costing and material cost. Second exam will be in some other topic. Fourth exam will be in marginal costing. 8th paper will be in standard costing. For example, these are unscheduled examinations. That means a student who pay for a test series can write exam anytime, any part as per his convenience. Pavan sir, first I will write marginal costing exam, Pavan sir, no problem. Pavan sir, first I will write budgetary control, Pavan sir, no problem. Pavan sir, first I will write standard costing exam, Pavan sir, no problem. Pavan sir, first I will write process costing, Pavan sir, no problem. So we'll give you 2 months time. Within 2 months, whenever you want, you prepare as per your plan, or you can follow this plan also, and you can write the exam. Whenever you write the exam, scan it and send it to our email ID, captestseries@gmail.com. So when you evaluate, when you scan it and send it to our email ID, academic person, experts who are experts in that subject, they will evaluate the paper in the supervision of faculty, and the faculty will review, and along with comments if at all required, that will be sent back to you with the suggested answer. That will be sent back to you with suggested answer. Okay, so test series students will get question papers, answer papers, everything through email. Free test series students, so paid test series students will get everything in email. Free test series students will get all the study plans, question papers, answer papers through this application, mobile application, CAP classes. And mentoring students, it is altogether a different ballgame. For mentoring students, there will be one academic resource dedicated called mentor, and I am the chief mentor. So I will speak with the students personally. I will understand their requirements. Motivation sessions will be there, regular follow-ups will be there, and every day, every week, there will be a call by the mentor and the chief mentor, and every day there will be conversation of how the study plan is going, whether the student is able to complete that study plan or no. Mentoring study plans are also different. They are not study plans like this. So we give a separate study plan, slot 1, 2, 3, 4 study plans will give. So that is mentorship program. For mentorship program, including 15 to 20 exams per subject, we charge 999 rupees. That includes my 5 calls, whether it is a video call or whether it is an audio call. 5 phone calls will be there to the student per paper, spread into 5 to 6 weeks. And then we will monitor the student and we will personally evaluate and see how the student is performing, and performance appraisal, everything will be there in the mentoring program. So I just wanted to update the students on how this integrated study plan and test series works. Point number 1. Point number 2. So many students are asking the doubt, Pavan sir, you are giving free test series. Then what is the difference between free test series and paid test series? Because when you open our application, there is one course called paid test series. Now student is confused. Pavan sir, you said free test series. Now when I open the app, paid test series. But a free test series is not any kind of fraud. 100% free test series is there with almost 65 examinations. 65 examinations spread over 8 subjects. If you look at this plan, if you see here, exam is there. Then here one exam is there, second exam, third exam, fourth exam, fifth exam, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 exams are there for one group. That means for both the groups, 35 into 2, 70 exams are there. 70 exam papers, 70 suggested answers will be given to you without taking 1 rupee also from you. 70 tests are given free of cost, absolutely free of cost. But for evaluation, you imagine if 5,800 students write paper and send it to me, and to evaluate that answer sheet, I and my team or my resources will die. So we are charging a nominal 30 rupees per paper, and this will be given to the person who is evaluating. The person who is evaluating, he also, that sir or madam, they also should have some incentive, no? So I have spoken with subject experts. I have spoken with my old students who are, who have completed cost accountancy, chartered accountancy now, or who are in final and very meritorious and bright students, or the subject faculty who are budding faculty now. So I am speaking with them and I am taking their help in preparation of question papers, their help in preparation of this suggested answers, and also in paper evaluation. For that we charge this 30 rupees. So free test series 100% is available. If you want your paper to be evaluated, it will be 30 rupees, 40 rupees per paper on an average. So per subject 299, 399. If you want mentoring program per subject, it will be 999. All these things are available in our application. So again, I am telling you, many students are asking, looking at YouTube, they will download this CAP classes mobile application, and then they will ask, Pavan sir, how to access this free resources. So I am getting many messages in my mobile phone, in WhatsApp. Pavan sir, I am unable to see the study plan. I am unable to see test papers. I am unable to see free resources and all. Because for all of you, one wholesale answer I am telling you, if you are using this application for the first time, maybe you don't know the path, but please try to understand the path. Step 1, download the app. Step 2, go to free resources batch. Step 3, in the free resources batch, there is something called study materials. When you open batch, on the screen, one study materials will be there. Don't go into that. First, when you open the app, go to free resources batch. Inside that, go to study materials. Then you will get a folder. Is it CA Inter or IPCC? Then when you open CA Inter or IPCC, that particular plan will be there inside. That particular test papers will be there inside. That particular answer paper will be there inside. That's all. This is how you can access free resources. So my job of preparing and giving the study plan to you is over. Now onwards, my job is to monitor the question paper preparation and uploading on appropriate point of time. So my job is done. Are you ready? My intention is to genuinely help students to be on the track, because for examinations like CA, what happens many times, students they genuinely want to crack the exam, they genuinely want to prepare systematically, but after starting the preparation, somewhere they will miss the track. After 3-4 days they'll miss the track. But if this kind of study plan is there for you, this kind of examination plan is there for you, I'm sure your preparation effectiveness will be multiplied by 5. You will be 5 times better than, without a plan. So this is a plan prepared by academic experts. This is a plan I have taken the inputs from my friends also, and each subject has 16 days allocated for it, plus backlogs for every cycle, plus 3-4 days of full revision, plus mock test. But I am telling you one thing, take my word. As a senior, I am telling you, if this fails, nothing works. I am that confident about my study plans. If my study plan fails, nothing works for you. I am that confident. So please download this. And free resources will be uploaded in our Telegram channel also. Our Telegram channel cap classes also you can download this. Some students will ask, Pavan sir, I am unable to download this from the mobile application. What to do? This can be downloaded from mobile application if you are unable to do that. Do it from our Telegram channel. In Telegram channel also it will be there. You understand? In Telegram channel also it will be there. But sometimes what happens, genuinely even we try to help the student by sending him in one-to-one WhatsApp messages and all also. But what happens every day, if I or my resource is getting 70-80 requests, Pavan sir, send me group 1, send me group 2, study plan and all. Okay, so even we have classes, even we have other activities to do. Sometimes we might miss because of the volume of the requests. So that is the reason I suggest you, please go to our Telegram channel cap classes and happily download this. Please go to our mobile application and happily access this. That's all. I wish you all the very best, and will try to help you with short notes, handwritten notes. And so many students are asking, Pavan sir, for law, EIS, strategic management, auditing, we want short notes, handwritten notes, and this flow charts and bullet points, these kind of things with the memory codes and all. We are trying to develop them also. Everything free of cost will be available to you. We are not going to sell the notes. We are giving you that free of cost in our Telegram channel and our cap classes mobile application. Keep watching. Please start your preparation today, now. As Kabir Das said, "Kal karai so aaj karai so pal mein parlai hoye bahuri karoge kab." So whatever you want to do tomorrow, do it today. Whatever you have to do it today, do it now. Now is the best time. So my dear friend, wish you all the very best. May God bless you. Start your preparation, and I am sure this November exams which are going to happen from December 5th, 6th onwards, ICA main examinations for inter and final. I wish you to crack the exams and come out on the results day with flying colors. Thank you. God bless you.